Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Oscar Mbira. I'm a certified program and project manager. In this video, I'm going to take you through a method called product-based planning, which is one of the most powerful approaches in project planning or program planning.
So to demonstrate the product-based approach in terms of planning, I'm going to use an example of building a website, which is something that is very common nowadays, either for other organizations, for business, for schools, for educational institutions, and so on and so forth. So in order to reduce the size or the time of the video, I didn't want it to be very long. I've already pre-typed the website products that you should expect. The first one is the e-commerce. So this is the product that you have to start with. You have to choose between any of the available platforms, like the Shopify, the WooCommerce, or in custom builds. So for this example and demonstration, we're going to look at 5 products. So the first one is e-commerce. The second one is user interface. The third one is the shopping cart. And the fourth one is the product management system. Testing documents is the fifth one. Then the last one is not a product as such, but that is the launch of the website. So in order for you to build the website, I'm only going to concentrate on this section of the Microsoft Project 2. The rest of the other sections, I'll cover them in the next videos to come. So for now, I just want to demonstrate the 5 products that we need to build a website. So as I said earlier in the video, if you choose a product, the next step is to choose activity lists. So for e-commerce, we have these 4 activity lists. You have to choose your platform. You have to configure the payment gateway. You also have to set up the shipping options and also create a product catalog that is going to contain the product description, the images, and the pricing. So if I may highlight this, so these are the activity lists that you come up with after you've identified your product. You've already described your product. So I'm going to highlight again. So the next product is user interface. This is how the users are going to interact with the website. So you must make sure that you have this product of user interface where the website is designed. You create even visual mockups, and you also develop the website user interface. UI stands for user
enjoying this video so far. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to click the like button and the subscribe button to support this channel to produce more videos like this one.
So the next product is going to be the shopping cart, where you have to develop the shopping cart functionality. You also have to implement the checkout process and also integrate with the payment gateway. So the fourth product we're going to look at is product management system, where you're going to set up or integrate the product management system. You connect with the product management system so that you're able to upload it to your website or platform. And then you also do the data migration to the product management system so that your products are also available on the website. Then the fifth one is the testing documents as part of the products. So you have your test scripts, you have your functional testing, your security testing, documentation, performance testing, documentation, cross-browser and device testing documentation. So for the purposes of demonstration of our product-based approach, I only looked at these 5 products for building a website. However, you might notice that there could be many of these products depending on the functionality and the requirements for the product. Then after that, your website, you launch it. So this is a demonstration of product-based approach, including the activities. The description is normally done outside this project 2. You can do it through some other systems, or worst case scenario, even Excel or Microsoft Word, to document and describe your products. So this brings us to the end of this video. If you want me to create any of the videos pertaining to the information that you've learned from this video, let me know in the comment section below.